All right, so now we have the leg press for the glutes. So depending on your foot position, you can target either the quads, hammies, glutes. Of course, you're gonna use a little bit of all three, but specifically for today, we're gonna take Tara's feet nice and wide and also high up on the leg press machine. So that's gonna require more hamstring activation, more glute activation, and also she's gonna press through her heels and keep her feet super, super wide. So go ahead and press up, Tara. We're gonna go ahead and come down nice and slow. So you wanna come down at about a 2-second tempo, keeping tension. Hamstrings, quads are gonna lightly be in the mix, but definitely focusing on pressing through heels. Exhale as you press, and then inhale as you lower. You'll see her knees are coming out nice and wide, almost to her shoulders. If you have low back issues, be careful. Don't take it quite as deep, but you want to focus on definitely getting that full stretch of the hamstrings when you come down with your knees towards your armpits. And then squeezing that booty hard as you press away.